This video is being dedicated to our nation. In order to celebrate our 74th Independence Day, we Sai Techies are producing 74 educational videos based on balancing chemical reaction. I hope all these 74 videos would be useful to the students in this lockdown period. So in this video, using algebraic method, we are going to balance the thermal dequ. First, let's represent the unbalanced equation. The equation is FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus Cl2 gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus HCl. Here, FeSO4 is ferrous sulfate. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Fe2SO4 thrice is iron 3 sulfate. Cl2 is chlorine. HCl is hydrochloric acid. So now let's see what are the steps involved in balancing of chemical reaction. First, molar coefficient as A, B, C, D, etc. So mention the molar coefficient as A, B, C, D and etc. Second, list all elements in the chemical reaction. Third, atomicity of the elements as equations. Represent the atomicity of the elements as equations. Fourth, solve the linear equation. Fifth, replace the values of A, B, C, D, etc. in the chemical reaction. And sixth, make it as a stoichiometric equation. Now let's balance the unbalanced equation. So we have to represent the molar coefficient as A, B, C, D, E here. So as we know, the equation is FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus Cl2 gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus HCl. So now we have represented the molar coefficient. Next, we have to form the equation. We have listed the elements Fe, S, O, H, Cl, and we have formed the equation. For Fe, A is equal to 2D, S, A plus B is equal to 3D, and for oxygen, 4A plus 4B is equal to 12D, and for hydrogen, 2B is equal to E, and for chlorine, 2C is equal to E. So totally we have 5 equations. Let us assume the D as 1. So now substitute D is equal to 1 in equation 1. So we will get A as 2. So now substitute D and A in equation 3. So we will get B as 1. And now substitute B in equation 4. We will get E is equal to 2. And finally substitute the E in equation 5. We will get C is equal to 1. So now we have got all the molar coefficient. Substitute these molar coefficient in the equation. So we will get finally 2FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus Cl2 gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus 2HCl. Now the final equation. 2FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus Cl2 gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus 2HCl. Now let's verify whether the equation is balanced or not. Fe 2, 2. Both sides Fe is same. Sulfur 2 plus 1, and here in the product side it has 3, so equal. Oxygen 8 plus 4, that is equal to 12. In the product side it has 12. In hydrogen 2, 2. Both in reactants and product side it has same. Chlorine 2, 2. Both in reactant side and product side same. So the equation is balanced now. Thank you friends for watching my video. I hope this video would have been useful for you. Try more reactions like this and try to solve by yourself. It will make you more interesting and learn the concept as soon as possible.